Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I just thought that I would go ahead and kind of show you a couple of things that I enjoyed. Gosh, y'all, look at the bags under my eyes. Okay, I feel like I had a good hair day today, and I felt like I had a good makeup day until right now. Of course, it is very, very late. Um, I also wanted to show you all these earrings. These are Swarovski crystals. They're not diamonds. Aren't they pretty? Sometimes cubic zirconia and crystals, rhinestones are prettier than real diamonds, depending on the quality. So I really do like these. I just got back from Life Group. I'm wearing one of my favorite shirts that I've gotten from Stitch Fix. And it's very ruffledy, as you can see. And so it's very flattering. It's got a little elastic right at the waist, and so it's just very comfortable and pretty. And I say I just got back from Life Group. Got back from our Life Group tonight, and then Lance had to go straight to bed. And I stayed up watching a couple of makeup videos, and then I just woke up on the couch. So I don't know how long I dozed off, but I didn't even reapply any makeup or anything so that I could look nice for this video. So this is slightly drowsed. I was drowsy and kind of flitted off to bye-bye land. But anyway, I did want to show you how my lipstick held up from wearing this earlier, and typically lipstick does not hold up that well for me. And I did use the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the, it says Pillow Talk 3 Intense. And originally I said this was Pillow Talk. The Pillow Talk 3 is much darker, and so you can see here's the color of the liner. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then this is just a little sample size lipstick, and it also is, let's see if it says, yeah, Pillow Talk Intense. Okay, so that's why it's so much darker, y'all. Look at those colors. So I was like, this must be for a person of color, because I am so pale that this is going to look awful. But it didn't look awful. It just looked dark. And so I guess the intense line, I don't know, I would think that means intense color. But maybe number 3 is just a darker color, a Pillow Talk. Maybe it's the same tone. So, but I do actually like that. If you like regular lipstick, I usually go for a liquid lip just because it stays on longer. Well, I decided to try Fenty Beauty's by Rihanna, her Stunna lip paint, and it's Longwear Fluid Lip Color. Okay, so here's the plus. First of all, the applicator. This is the color Uncuffed, and it says shake well before use, so that's something to remember. It is a liquid product. Never even thought about that. That's a good point. Why can't I get my little finger down in there to pull that out? There we go. I love the applicator when it's in my purse. This is another new one. I've been using this for a week now, and I loved it. I'm not going to put it on right this second. You know what? I will go ahead and do that, even though I'm going to bed. I have to do a makeup remover anyway. Y'all, do y'all find it as you get older? Comment below if you're having a harder time opening things. Oh my gosh, I feel like I about broke my hand to open that. Okay. So, the way this little applicator is, y'all, it makes it so easy to do your lips. Watch. To get the perfect little, look at that. That is the perfect little Cupid's though. And I feel like that is the perfect lower lip. I feel like that is just that is the easiest lip product application I've ever done. And can I tell you something else? I totally forgot to shake it. Kind of after the fact. This is a perfect color for me. because it has a creative name like Uncuffed, it doesn't say if it's rose, it doesn't say if it's bronze. Not in the descriptor it does. But the fact that it's long wear, I can attest to. I put this on and it is just like my Chanel lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. And these, y'all know, are my absolute favorites. Hands down, there's nothing this good out there in my opinion. But this application right now is like doing just this version of it, just putting on the color. What you can do after this dries is put on a gloss. And I want to show you because that's what you can do with this. Just blow on it and that helps. Alright, you can leave it matte or you can put on a finishing gloss, and this one sets it. That's how this Chanel one works. And this is a perfect color for me. What do y'all think? And it is the easiest as far as getting my lips shaped right, even better than this. This is a regular doe foot applicator, which I love a doe foot applicator. But I have to say, you know what doe foot is? It's an angled end. It's thin. This is rounded on the end. It's angled, but it's also rounded. And so it's perfect for getting, that's kind of, it's just a funky little thing. I love it. Can y'all see that? I am in love with this. And the fact that it stays on so good. Now I will tell you, when I've had this in my purse this past week, I have not, had honestly, it didn't occur to me till right now to add the shine portion on the other end. And for Chanel, what this does is it sets the product, meaning it really sets it, and ain't going nowhere now. It also moisturizes it, gives you a shine. So to me, it's threefold. I wish that she offered that, even if it was a separate piece that does that. I will have to go back at her line and see, does she offer a clear lip gloss that is for setting? It's not for adding shine. And I'll tell you what the difference is. I'm so sorry, I had to yawn there. The difference is, a lot of times when you put on a gloss on top of a matte finished liquid lip. Now liquid lips typically, the fact that they're liquid, as they dry down, they're permanent for hours. So there's no transfer. It doesn't go anywhere when you eat. And just, regular talking throughout the day. Really, lipstick shouldn't do that either, but a lot of them do that. Sorry y'all, I feel like I did kind of lay my head on the pillow when I was on the couch when I dozed off. And now my hair looks pretty, a little flat, but I still feel like I'm having one of the best hair days, y'all. What do y'all think? But anyway, I feel like this is, like I said, it was just my idea now to add that lip gloss, but only a lip gloss that goes with a liquid lip already, so that it sets it, it gives it moisture, because most liquid lips, once they dry to a matte finish, obviously this is a gloss finish now, but before it was a matte finish, they do look dry. This didn't. If you'll notice, it looked matte, but it didn't look dry. And honestly, okay, there's some transfer. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I feel like it's going to stay. I say none comes off of my Chanel, but it does. You do have some, like on a coffee cup. Very, very light, especially if you let it dry first. Really good, and then add the gloss. But again, these products did not come together, so I don't know how well this is gonna, normally, within an hour, this might be like starting to kind of drip down and bleed in wrinkles and stuff like that, but I feel like this is not gonna do that. I feel like this is really good, y'all. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see. I had a friend tonight in the live group, she goes, are all those real? No, they're not. These are, I don't know why, but look, y'all, I was in the mood to put on all my, these are just different companies, CZs. I think that's Nadri. That's a Tiffany, like, replica of Nadri, or either that could be, Swarovski. These are from JCTV. This one, just that one, actually. And this, I think, is Nadri, and these are Tiffany's. So, and this is Tiffany Coffee. So, anyway, that's all my bracelets that I had on tonight. I said, actually, no, none of those are real. I said, now on the other arm it is. This is from my husband, and this is from my husband. This was when I was traveling, and I got that on the plane, and it was a real high end. I forgot the name of it. Oh my gosh, I can't think of the name of it. But it's in Britain. It's the same jewelry company that the royals use. That's not the real diamond stuff, but their costume. Believe it or not, they do have some of that. Anyway, what was I showing you? Oh, these earrings. Up close. And this lip gloss. So what do you think? Y'all, I feel like I'm suddenly a big fan of Fenty Beauty. I do think Rihanna is a beautiful woman. A really incredible voice. Sometimes I don't like her language. I've heard her talk. Now, I don't know. You never know what the environment actually was. I'm trying to remember. And also I've seen her wear some pretty risque stuff on the runway, but that's, all of them do that in Hollywood, so, and especially in Hollywood runway. Because, you know, that's what they do. That's how they roll. But anyway, I thought I would share this with you. Again, the color is uncuffed, and I love it. And I feel like this is going to be good, even with the lip gloss on it. But it was fine without it. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all again soon. Love you. And I'm going to go to bed now. Night. After I take off my makeup,